we have fed the string through the hole. Okay. The other end of the string, like I said, goes on this pin down here, but leave it off for last because otherwise you're just going to be fighting an uphill battle. So leave this string off at this end. Just leave that whole thing off because what you're going to do here, you're going to get this whole thing right here aligned to this here thing, which is, of course, is the screen, is the front. This is the front, the window. Let's see if I can get a good picture on it there. The window, the housing. Okay, the housing part. Let's see if I can get it up there. The housing. This string right here, this string is going to go in this, which is screwed onto the back of this window here. There's this little spring thing, and this is your indicator. This is your indicator.